COVID-19 is with us, and this means that we have to apply preventive measures so as not to catch the disease. One of those measures is wearing a mask when we are out in the public. With countries easing lockdowns and economies getting back on their feet, the new normal of wearing face masks could be here for years. Many opt for single-use disposable masks, which come in many colors, these days white, blue, black, red, pink, and many others. Nitil, a major mask maker in Uganda, produced 300,000 disposable masks on a daily basis in the first lockdown in April 2020. Globally, at least 129 billion masks are thrown away every month. Of these, 3 million masks are thrown away every single minute. Some of these masks that contain plastic elements are carelessly discarded. You can find them in drainage channels, trenches, on the ground. This is a new type of plastic pollution, in addition to polythene bags or kavera, as they are commonly known. Bashir Hanji, the spokesperson of Uganda Wildlife Authority, says the careless disposal of this protective gear is a threat to wildlife and aquaculture.
A bird gets entangled into the mask straps. It hinders its mobility, and the survival of a bird is its ability to move from one place to another. So basically it means that this bird will die. But also we need to appreciate that these masks, as they get into the environment or as they break down into the environment, they form some particles. And now these particles find their way into the food chain and the entire ecosystem.
Peruth Atkwase, an environmentalist, says that for a country that has struggled with regulating the use of polythene, the improper disposal of masks foil the long-term efforts.
Sometimes when we see flooding in cities and sometimes we think it is just climate change that has happened, but there are many factors.
She says that the government should pass laws that protect the environment.
More efforts in ensuring that the implementation of these bans, because you can't keep coming every day you put a ban and tomorrow you just keep putting bans.
Jude Byansiziwa, the manager for waste management at Kampala Capital City Authority, says they do not have the capacity to treat mask waste, urging people to use reusable masks.
Expecting somebody putting on a mask to trap the virus, and is supposed to stay on the mask. That one alone makes it to be a special type of waste which is contagious and hazardous. And hence we are supposed to consider it as a medical waste. However, it cannot be easily handled as medical waste at household level because we cannot easily trace it.
Atkwase has also warned about the effects on the environment caused by improper disposal of the single-use masks.
Environment where we are almost going to coexist with plastics. Everywhere you go, you're seeing plastics.
When the world was hit by COVID-19, governments around the world ran successful campaigns urging people to start wearing masks and letting them know how important it is for them to wear these protective gears. Now more than ever, proper discarding of face masks is as important as it is to wear them to prevent the horrific effects of these masks on the environment. Olivia Komgisha, NTV News.